Hi everybody, welcome to Champion Trading. What we're showing you today, this is a colloid mill by Eppenbach. It's the QV-6 model, and we're just circulating some water through it. It starts to get warm a little quickly. Has an adjustable rotor stator gap down here. You'll see they've abandoned this in the more modern machines, although they're exactly the same. This has two independent jackets, one around the mill body and the upper section of the mill body. There's also another threaded port you can see there. Small fractional horsepower drive, stainless steel contacts up here on the hopper. We're going to have the full details on our site. It is an older machine, but some of you I know that they don't make them like they used to. And this will continue to run for many years more. On our site, you'll see pictures of the head, the rotor and stator, and details inside as well. Look under from our menu, go to Mills, click on Mills, and look for the subset colloid, and you'll see it there. Thanks for joining us for this video today, and we hope to see you soon.